Missouri meerschaum corn cob. And we had all the pollen in the spring. Now we've got the algae. Look at that. On my pants. I've only been here for about half an hour. Crazy. That's cool, man. I just caught a little one, but I didn't take pictures of it. But these birds right here, you gotta watch out for those. They like to projectile shit on you. They'll wait for you to get right underneath of them. They're nasty. They smell. And they screw up your fishing. Number 2. You know what drives me nuts? When people do this. Straight arm it. It looks massive. It's a lie. Say bye-bye. Very next cast. Just a little baby. It's too damn hot. It's just too damn hot. No breeze. Look at that water. It says it's 82 degrees. It feels like it's 182 degrees out here right now.